Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're rediving deep into a tool that has been an absolute game changer for my productivity. Notion AI. If you're already using Notion, you know it's a powerhouse for organizing just about anything. But when Notion integrated AI in 2023, it went from being a great tool to an indispensable partner. So, what exactly is Notion AI? Think of it as a smart assistant, living right inside your Notion workspace. It can help you brainstorm ideas, write drafts, summarize long documents, and even manage your tasks. It uses advanced natural language processing to understand what you need. Whether you're a student, a professional, or part of a large team, instead of just giving you a blank page, Notion AI works with you, turning your scattered thoughts into structured, actionable content. This isn't just about saving time. It's about enhancing your thinking and creativity. Let's look at how it actually works. It all starts with a prompt. You simply tell Notion AI what you want to do. For example, you can highlight a long meeting transcript and ask it to summarize the key action items. The AI analyzes the context of your page and generates a concise summary. The best part is that it's interactive. If the first draft isn't quite right, you can ask it to make it more formal or expand on this point, and it will refine the output in real time. This content is then seamlessly integrated right back into your Notion page, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. The applications are practically endless. For knowledge management, it's a lifesaver. Imagine summarizing dense research papers or long meeting notes in seconds. Content creators are using it to draft blog posts, newsletters, and social media captions. In project management, it can generate task lists from project briefs and even help structure entire timelines. Students are creating study guides and summarizing lecture notes, making learning more efficient. And for teams, it's a collaboration catalyst, perfect for brainstorming sessions and building shared knowledge bases. Of course, no tool is perfect, and it's important to be aware of the potential risks. AI-generated content can sometimes contain inaccuracies, so human oversight is crucial. You should always double-check important facts and figures. Data privacy is another consideration, especially if you're working with sensitive information. And we have to be careful not to become over-reliant on AI, as it's a tool to augment our skills, not replace our critical thinking. The key is to use it as a co-pilot, not an autopilot. To get the best results, give it clear, detailed prompts. The more context you provide, the better the output will be. So, how does Notion AI stack up against other AI tools like ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot? While tools like ChatGPT are fantastic general-purpose conversational AI, is Notion AI's superpower is its deep integration into a single, flexible workspace. It's not just about generating text. It's about organizing that information into databases, wikis, and task boards. This unique blend of AI assistance and a powerful organizational system is what sets it apart, making it an incredible asset for anyone serious about productivity and knowledge management. Looking ahead, the future of Notion AI is exciting. We can expect more advanced features like multimodal integration, meaning it could analyze images, charts, and even audio. Imagine it suggesting workflow improvements based on your habits or enabling real-time AI-assisted co-authoring for remote teams. The goal is to make Notion AI an even more personalized and intelligent productivity partner. To wrap it up, Notion AI is a powerful extension of an already fantastic platform. It streamlines workflows, automates repetitive tasks, and enhances collaboration, ultimately helping you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're organizing a personal project or managing a company-wide knowledge base, it's definitely worth exploring. Have you tried Notion AI? Let me know your favorite features or any cool tricks you've discovered in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.